So we received this Singleton head unit. Let's install it and see. So this is the current situation of the Z head unit. It's empty now, only the frame's there, and we will install this. So this is the head unit. It's small and very light, and it comes with a remote control and a few wires here. So let's see. So I opened the whole console, as you see. So we will see now if the harness for this will fit, will be the same harness. Before, here there was a Pioneer screen. I removed it, was very old. So we will see if Pioneer harness will fit this Bose head unit. Of course, if you have a Z, the way to remove this is very easy. There is 2 bolts here, and there is 2 bolts here. As you can see, this Pioneer plug will not fit. You will have to use the plugs that was provided with the package in order to install them here. And because previously I used to have the Pioneer unit, so the aftermarket stereos, they are all using the same colors for the wires. So if you notice this wire, it's the same one that is, I guess, here, this one. See? And I will have to install it here. So I will follow the pattern from the old stereo. Disconnect each and connect each wire from the new plug. Okay, so we will go through the wires for Nissan 350Z. So this is specifically for Nissan 350Z. So the yellow one is the yellow one that is coming out from the car with the color yellow. It will be the power cable. The black one, okay, the black one which coming from the aftermarkets will be the ground. You just can connect it here for the ground, anywhere, any ground surface. Okay, the light green, this coming from the car, light green, this will be accessory 12V. It will be connected to a red wire in your aftermarket. Okay, all the other colors, it will be for the sound speakers. Okay, so just be careful with those 3 wires. The light green, you can use it for the accessory 12V. The power cable is the yellow one, and the black one for the ground. That's it. So this is how the stereo looks. It's very easy to use. You can pair it with your mobile phone in like a few seconds, and you can use it for making calls and listening to music through Bluetooth. This is how you change the radio channels, and this is how you choose the FM AM bands. So let's keep it here. This is how you can select between aux, Bluetooth, radio. There is some options that are not available here. They are at the remote control, such as let me see, such as the loud button if you want to make the sound loud, and the EQ. You can choose between a few EQs here, rock, jazz, EQ off. Let's keep it off. What else we have here? Well, there is a few stuff in the remote. They even kept the answering the phone in the remote. Anyway, so the sound is not bad. Really, the quality of the sound is more than acceptable. It's good. For the price, 30 bucks, you cannot go wrong. I'm really satisfied. So thank you for watching the video, and all the best.